How to use Macy's promo codes. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in Macy's promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get Macy's promo code. So, navigate to any of it. So, I have selected this one, Coupon Follow. Once you're on the website, scroll down and check out the offers 50% off, 25% off, $30 off, and many more. Now, hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Click on it. Here is the code, copy it, click on Redeem at Macy's. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, now you will need to provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you can browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase and add those items to the cart. Once you are done with selecting the items, check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find this section, Coupon Code. Click on that, paste the copied code over there, and then click on Confirm. With that, you have just used Macy's promo code. Now you'll be getting discount in your order. So this way you can easily use Macy's promo code. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.